Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at some steals and deals courtesy of brickseek.com. All of the SKU and the website will be in the notes if you want to check it out. Just a fantastic assortment of items that I have today. Take this as a treasure hunt. The odds of you tracking stuff down and finding the exact stuff, well, you know, it's kind of up in the air. My numbers are usually 3 out of 10, and I like to think that I'm a pretty good you know, brick seek hunter, but sometimes it's a little harder to do. If you want to read more about this, go to his website and read more information. But take it as a treasure hunt. I know a lot of you do. I bought a weekend shopping, so you know, if you want to throw some of this stuff on the list to price check it, by all means go for it, because there are some really good deals in this video. So the first item that we're going to talk about are these LOL Pet Ball Assortment. I wasn't even sure what that is, but it's a fancy dancy kids toy, just to give you a visual of what it looks like. So it's just a ball with a toy inside of it, and lots of people have been finding them for exactly $1, which is crazy. I looked up a couple different zips and I was getting prices all over the map. So as you can see here, guys, I went with Illinois, and they're $6.88, which is 39% off retail. So if we can wait a little bit on this product, maybe towards the end of the month or in a week, possibly it might hit, you know, 50, 75. We'll just have to wait for it. But this is the one that I would definitely put on the back burner. But check your zip if this is something that you really need, or if you have kids that you're buying these sort of items for Easter, you know, definitely worth throwing on the list and looking for this guy. The next little item that we have here are these Almay shadow quads. This one specifically in a color called Thrill Seeker. So yeah, just this peacock blue color, 160. Lots of these quads are on clearance for $1. Now, I went and looked it up. They were $2.50 for the most part. What makes this very interesting is that there was a $2 printable on coupons.com on any Almay product. So if you can find it for $1 or $2, you can either get it for free or for free with $1 of overage, which is even better. So I would definitely keep your eyes out for this Almay, and if you can go on to coupons.com and print some of those $2 coupons, you will be in business to get some overage and free makeup, which is the best kind of makeup. Now this next little item I think is just really, really cute. It is a $14 product. It is called the Color Workshop Ultimate Color Compact. It has 106 different shades. So if you have a teenage girl, or like, you know, a young girl who really wants to get into makeup and really start playing with colors, if you allow that in your household. I know makeup is one of those things. If I had a really young daughter, I probably would say, hey, go crazy, but that's just me. But anyhow, I think this was a Christmas quad, and it was $14, and it's on clearance at many stores for $1. So here it is, guys. For fun, I just went to California, typed in the zip 90210. It's popping all over the place. So I'm not sure if it was with the Christmas stuff, or, you know, it was in a regular makeup aisle, which I'm thinking that's where a lot of people are finding it. But like $1 for a $14 product, that would make an excellent Easter gift too. I just think it's so cute. Or if you want it, buy it for yourself. But like $1 for a $14 product, amazing. Okay, the next product that we have is this L'Oreal X Camila Cabo Havana eyeshadow. Oh, na. 0.04 ounces. That is quite the mouthful. I think this is probably why this item did not sell very well. Despite the really bad name, the packaging is so cute. I mean, if I could find this entire line, I would buy it. It looks really high quality too. And it's 72% off at $2.75 at one store in Texas, and then in another store it's $1. Now in the Retail Me Not, we always have some sort of L'Oreal coupon for like eye products or makeup or something. You could possibly get this guy for free or with a little bit of overage, which is really nice. And this entire line, this Havana line, super high quality. I've looked at the packaging. It's really, really nice. So if you can track some down, and if you are a makeup person, this might totally be for you, because it looks like a really high quality line that L'Oreal launched, and I don't know why. It just probably didn't resonate really well with consumers, and now it's on clearance. Now a little piece of tech. We have the Samsung Galaxy Tab, this tablet, and it looks really nice. I see that some ladies have been finding this guy for $10 or less. I know with tablets before in the past when I have gone and looked for them, I've never had any luck. The retail for this guy is $299.99, so almost like the price of an iPad. So I'm sure this thing can do your taxes and drive your car. But here it is on 93% off in Houston, Texas for $20. So definitely, you know, even if you want another tablet to print more coupons from coupons.com, $20, and this thing would probably last you for a couple of years because it looks like a really high quality tablet. So definitely something I would throw on the back burner, or just at least check if your store might have it in stock, because it looks like a beautiful tablet. Now we have this razor. It is the Bic Flex 5 Hybrid Men's 5-blade disposable razor. One handle, 4 cartridges. Be super observant when you're in the store that you're picking up the right one. Alternatively, if you have your cell phone with you and have the Walmart app open, there's a price scanner in there, so you can scan all this stuff, so you don't have to bring it to that, you know, weird machine to price check everything. You can do it handheld. But anyhow, here in Texas, these guys are $2 a piece. I know that there was a printable on the Bic site for like either $1 or $2 off. Plus, Checkout 51 this week has, I think, $3 back on each higher end Bic razor. So you could get your money back that way really quickly. And then if you might get your hands on some of those internet printables, I think it could possibly be for free. I know that a lot of people, especially extreme couponers, have been hauling this like crazy. I mean, free razors are the best razors. So, I mean, if you can get organized, print out some coupons. I don't believe we have any insert coupons at this moment for this product. I might be wrong, but I don't think I saw any in the last, I think they expired recently. But you might want to figure something out. Even if you just buy them for $2 and get a $3 rebate on Checkout 51, it's still winning. Okay, guys, so the last 3 products that we're going to talk about are body washes by Dial. Now, I went and looked around a lot on different cities and different regions, from Texas to LA, New York, and here in the Midwest. And for whatever reason, there's tons of this in stock. I don't think many couponers are out, or people just aren't sure about this. But it is the 20 ounces of these 3 types of body washes. They are 75% off. And the beauty here, guys, is there is a $1 coupon from the Retail Me Not of February the 10th, so last weekend's inserts, and it's $1 off a Dial body wash. So pairing it with the $1 clearance Dial body wash, you're looking at free body wash, which is the best kind of body wash. So this is the time to get super organized. If you're going to do some Ibotta shopping, go and look for all of these Dial body washes, especially if you have coupons. The first one is this 21 ounce. I believe all of these body washes are 21 ounce. So I'm assuming they're changing the packaging or something, but they're all 75% off, which is fantastic. So this one is the Himalayan Salt 21 ounce. So it's a pink color. This one is my favorite of all the Dial body washes. If you might be able to find one and you just want to try something really nice, it has a nice scent to it, and it really washes really great, and there's no like suddy or soapy feeling after. And they're usually $5.99 a piece, and they are on clearance for $1. Pairing it with that $1 off coupon, again from the Retail Me Not of February the 10th, I mean, that's free and that's winning. And like, look at some of these numbers, 18, 5, and 6. There's a lot of them in stock because people really haven't been tracking this down. So definitely something to throw on the back burner. Okay, now we have this one. It is called Manuka Honey. I think that must be like Hawaiian or something like that. And it's 21 ounces, and it's just this like rich gold color, gold in a bottle. And this guy is also $1 on clearance. And either look in the regular section, look on end caps, or look in the clearance section at your store. It'll be in one of those 3 locations for $1. Pairing it with that $1 coupon from the Retail Me Not, you know, this is just winning. And the final body wash that we have is this men's one, and it's in the scent Magnetic, 20 ounce. The 2 lady ones are 21 ounces, and this guy's a 20 ouncer. And he was $3.98, and he's on clearance for $1. Again, that $1 coupon will either work on the men's or the women's. It's not specific. So, I mean, this is just winning. And of course, the men, this is the one thing, it'll get cleared a lot faster than the ladies' ones. But definitely, if you're out there doing some Ibotta shopping, I would look for this guy. And the final item that we're going to talk about from Brickseek's site is this 11-piece cookware set by Tasty. I have one of these sets. I have a much larger one, and it's fantastic. So it is in this color copper. So it is like this brown color, but really nice. And it has a bunch of different pots and pans. So Originally, it's closer to $80, and some people have been finding this on clearance for $10. I could not find the market where it's on clearance for 10, but I just typed in Texas and I found it for $60 or $59. This is another back burner sort of item. I think that it's probably going to get reduced quickly, maybe end of the month, maybe in a week or so. And I mean, if you could score this for $25 or less, it would just be absolutely fantastic. Even for 60 bucks, like 10 pots, 11 pots and pans, I think it's just winning. It's a really good price point. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.